Ano? Ano yung sasabi mo kanina?
Yung English ba?
Oh, hindi
Yung
yung...
whenever na lang.
Whenever I see
Halika dito. Juby.
Oh, yan.
Doon
Go.
tayo. Doon tayo. Doon muna tayo. Ay, busy ang Juby.
1, 2, 3, go. Hindi pa nagbubukas. Saan yun?
For the record.
Ayan.
1, 2, 3, go. Mamamas ko po. 1, 2, 3, go.
Mama.
1, 2, 3, go. Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the streets, I remember the child in a manger as he sleeps. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow when everyone's are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Papasok na po kami.
Papasok na po kami!
Papasok na po. Wala kayong magagawa.